Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Makeup Monday. Today's video is going to be another affordable drugstore makeup review. So a few months ago, if you guys have seen that video, you guys know that I did a review on a Profusion palettes, which is the festival or the carnival palettes. You guys seem to absolutely love that video. It did very well, and so I decided to bring another review for you guys. As always, I went to Walmart, minding my own business, and then the makeup aisle was literally whispering my name. It was just drawing me in. So, you know, being the good girl that I am, I went to the makeup section and I was just going through everything, seeing what was new to see if I was missing out on anything. And I noticed that Profusion had a new palette. So this is their new, I don't know how new it is, but I hadn't seen it, so I'm guessing it's relatively new. This is the Sunkissed palette by Profusion Cosmetics. I love this brand. I have a few of their palettes and these are crazy affordable. They're about $10 to $15. I don't remember the price on this one. I want to say it was like 12 bucks. But these palettes, the ones that I've tried personally, have always been like bomb.com. So I figured, you know what? Today we're going to put this to the test. We're going to review it. We're going to do some swatches. We're going to do a mini eye tutorial. And we're going to see if this is worth your money, your moolah, your dinero, and all that stuff. So yeah, I'm really shook because it actually contains 3 little like glitter things in here, and I am excited. So with that said, if you guys are interested in seeing my personal review on the Profusion Sunkissed palette, again, is it worth your money or not, keep on watching. And if you enjoy drugstore videos, drugstore reviews, drugstore eye look tutorials, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and join the Lash Babe team. And yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into this video. I just pulled up my Walmart app and these retail for $12.98, which obviously makes them super affordable at the drugstore. I'm not sure exactly where else you can find Profusion besides Walmart and on their online website, but Walmart has tons of their makeup. As of recently, at least my Walmart started carrying them. So again, this is what the palette looks like. I really appreciate that they actually add these little like plastic inserts, and all of them do have the name. So what I typically like to do, because they do have a little bit of like glue on each side, I will just glue them onto here. That way I can like guide myself and see what colors are what, or the names. So looking at the eyeshadow palette, this is a 35 shade palette. This one says, bring your inner beach babe and soak up the sun with this velvety smooth and multi-finish sun-kissed palette. Dive into 35 richly saturated pigments that range from sandy neutrals to coastal tones with a splash of sun-drenched hues. Seize the day and ride the wave of endless summer looks. So obviously by the name of this is more of a summer palette, but honestly, like, you can still totally use this for the fall because greens, yellows, oranges, browns, colors like this are very fall appropriate. I'm going to do a few swatches just to get a first impression. Even though I personally am not a big fan of warm swatches, but I know sometimes they help you guys to see how they look, just because the formula on your eyes and like on your skin, it can be very different. But either way, we're going to do swatches. I don't want to do my makeup too crazy because my tios, my tias, and everybody were getting together. This is the last weekend my mom will be here, and then we're taking her back to her, well, we're not taking her to Mexico, but we're going to take her to Vegas next Thursday, or this Thursday of this week that you're watching this video. And so yeah, we're all, I don't know where I was going with that story. We're all getting together today just to kind of like, you know, like have a last meal with my mom together as a family. So I don't want to do my makeup too crazy, but I do want to try out some colors, Avi. So the first shade I am going to take is this one at the very bottom, which is like a olive green. This one is in the shade Sage, which is like literally the perfect name for it. I am going to take this little packing brush and I'm just going to pack that color all over the lid. This has really pretty color payoff. I mean, I really expected this palette to be bomb because the other palette that I reviewed, the Festival palette, is probably one of my favorite drugstore palettes. And it has a little bit more color to it. It's more colorful, but it's still so good. After that, I'm going to take the shade Clover, which is this one right here. It's just a lighter version of Sage. And I'm going to take my little Morphe M514 and we're just going to blend that into the crease just to blend out that green a little bit more. This one is really pretty as well. I really like how creamy these are. They do have quite a bit of fallouts, but again, just for the price of them, how many you get, like 35 little eyeshadows for $12, just right under $13, you really can't complain much about, you know, like what you are getting. But again, it's not bad quality. Just like that, just to diffuse it a little bit. For the brow bone, I am going to take the shade Winning, which is the top shade right here. You guys know my love, my passion for like bone shades. They just really make everything like pop. Boom. I'm going to take a little bit of the shade Marigold, which is this gorgeous yellow, and I'm going to run this through the lower lash line, and then I'm going to go in with Topaz and apply that on the lower lash line as well. It's a really pretty yellow. Wow. Oh, this shade is stunning. I am going to take the shade Goddess. Yep, which is the gorgeous glitter, and we're just going to dab that into the inner corner of the lids. But first, I'm going to grab some glitter glue. My favorite glitter glue at the moment is this one by J Cat Beauty. I really like this because it's almost like a primer, but it's sticky and it gets tacky once you let it like sit for a little bit, and it just looks so, or it doesn't look pretty, but it does a good job at really adhering like eyeshadow, glitter, loose glitter, whatever you want it for. This eye look definitely calls for a wing liner. So now that the eye look is excuse me, now that the eye look is done, I'm going to go ahead and do my wing liner off camera, pop on some lashes. I'm going to use these right here. These have been my go-to for like the past week. The Eylure London Luxe Silk Lash in the style Marquise. These are so pretty. It came in a trio for like $14 at Ulta. So yeah, we're just going to pop these babies on. Lashes are on, eyeliner is on, lip gloss, lipstick, and obviously lip liner. If you guys are wondering what I'm wearing on my lips, I took the NYX lip liner in the shade Earthtone. Look at how tiny it is. That's how much I use it. And then I took the Makeup Revolution, or the Revolution Pro Cashmere lipstick. This formula is amazing. And then I just, amazing. And then I just topped it off with the Dose of Colors Honey I Am Home liquid lip gloss, just to add a little extra. That is it, you guys. This is a quick little fall inspired makeup tutorial. I actually really like how this look turned out. I did have to go back a few times and reinforce the orange on my lower lash line because it's not as pigmented as I personally would want it to be, even with my brush being a little bit wet. So with that said, what do I think of this palette? I think it's a good palette. It's honestly in between this one and the Festival palette. I think the Festival palette is just slightly better. This one is still gorgeous, and I'm still going to use it because it has really pretty shades, but I feel like not all the shades were as pigmented or creamy as I was expecting them to be. The green though is really pretty, and I really enjoy these little pops of glitter right here. But I can't complain. I can't complain about the price, and the quality is still there. You just have to work with it a little bit more. I guess that's what I'm trying to say. So what do you guys think of this palette? Do you guys have this? Are you guys going to buy it? If you do recreate this look, please tag me on Instagram or send me your pictures through my Snapchat. I try to reply to like 100% of you. So with that said, I am peacing out. I'm gonna go eat, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on Wednesday. Mwah. Bye.